Camel. Chris. Okay.
Bam, bam.
Badge modding. Everyone who has a badge, come over in this general area.
Testing.
Hey, excuse me, sorry, excuse me, sorry.
Hello.
Hey, Mike. All right, so we have, can you plug this in, please? We have 3 categories. Everybody who is doing this, might be some people upstairs, so if there's, they might be coming down. We will be, what we're going to do is everybody can enter one of the things here. You're going to have 30 seconds. We're going to have the camera up on your badge. You'll be able to hold it here. Talk into the microphone, please. We're going to capture it and show it up here as well. And then at the end, we will have audience judging based on which is the best. So choose wisely, best dead bug, best Blinky, and most over the top. If you'll just give me 1 second. You can only. What's that? No. Can we please turn on microphone 1 when you get a chance? And I also need the camera. Alec, can you turn the camera on, please? After you're done, so please, you have 30 seconds to come up here. You can talk about what you did on your badge, show it under the camera, right here, and then afterwards we're going to have take a picture of it over there, up close, nice and personal. So first one up, come on up.
Okay, so I kind of.
You want to take it off, take your badge. You want to take your badge off so you can actually show it under the camera.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry, it's here. Yeah, go ahead, keep going.
So yeah, so I kind of started building something that would blink some lights, and it ended up looking a lot like a dead bug. So it's got several modes which you can switch between by touching the wing here. It's being used as a capacitive sensor. You can also flick it because it's a piezoelectric vibration sensor. And that's.
Can you show both other side, please? And that's the mode that switches, is that right? So that the cap touch switches the modes.
Yeah. And so the default mode is, I call it crickets.
Awesome. And flip it over 1 more time, please. Perfect. All right. Thank you. Is this a joint badge?
Yep. This is a joint badge.
Okay.
So we made matching Morse code transmitters and receivers. So for the transmitter, we used a quad NAND gate, half of it for audio and half of it for AM signal. And for the receiver,
So for the receiver, which is this portion here, or this portion here, it's an AM band receiver, old school. That's the inductor and its capacitor, and that's the crystal radio. That's the germanium diode which receives it. So we thought of something where we could communicate by Morse without interrupting the speaker at the same time in conferences, right? So that's
That's amazing.
our project.
All right, thank you.
we're twins.
All right, so this is sort of dead
dead something.
It's definitely
Oh,
no
sorry,
longer
sorry.
alive. So
Give me 1 sec, sorry.
thanks, Chris.
There we go. That should do it.
All right, so.
Zach, you can look here if you want.
Oh yeah, thanks. So the dead bug portion is actually kind of right there. I recently got laser eye surgery, and to test it, I've started hand soldering 0402 components, which involved a lot of razor blading traces.
Yeah, it should autofocus too.
Yeah, it's
There you
good.
go.
And I put some neurobites on it too, so it is blinky and obnoxious. And there's also this little guy. I don't know if you can really see him. Let me see if I can rotate that. I play D&D, so I needed like a little D&D character. He's got like a little.
Go
I don't know
forward.
if you can see him, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, his backpack's a little Mega processor, and he does little flashes. And come check it out. It's fun.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Chris.
Anyone else? This is also for dead bug?
Yes, I have this thing which
Wait,
I'm not going to demonstrate.
Okay.
I'm actually going to show off this thing.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, this is basically a high voltage thing. It's a boost converter that boosts that's basically made out of an old relay because no one has transformers here. It actually boosts the voltage to I think 150 volt, and in the end you have about a kilovolt. Yeah,
I'll be over here, Jerome. That's cool.
it's a nice part.
Just don't break the webcam, huh?
I'll try. Yeah, the only bad side is that the voltage multiplier is actually soldered through the badge. The vias go through the badge, so I would advise against wearing this.
All right, thank you. Oh, Jerome. Anyone else? We need a 9-volt battery. Anyone? 9-volt battery. Jerome's got a 150. This is mayhem.
So our project.
You guys can look here if you need. You might take it off. Take it off your neck.
So our project combines two badges. So
Speak of the mic.
sure. So this badge is entirely passive. It's not working yet. So there's a coil of wire around the outside, and then there's a capacitor, and it forms a resonant circuit. So basically, if you put an oscillating magnetic field near it at the right frequency, the voltage builds up until the LEDs light. And then Chris's badge here is using an Arduino to make an oscillating current around a loop. It seems like part of it might have...
Down, move down. There you go.
Something just happens.
I saw it too, yep. It does work.
Probably some
Cut the red wire.
It was some,
Cut the red wire.
Looks like something
There we go.
broke on the
Yeah. Nice. And can we see the other badge too?
Yeah, the other badge is a Blinky badge.
Oh, well, you only get one, so sorry.
That's what happened.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you. Any more dead bugs? No. Oh yeah, guys, over here. Sorry, over there. Best Blinky, come on up. Good Lord, is that a cuckoo clock?
Okay, so
Can you take it off or no?
not really.
Oh no.
Okay,
Okay.
it's
Can
kind
you
of
kneel
attached.
down maybe?
Yeah. So
There
there we go. And it. Okay. So I was looking for a 50-watt ultraviolet LED that I have, but I couldn't find it, so I found a cuckoo clock instead. But there you go.
All right. Thank you. All right, so we're on to most Blinky still.
Yes.
Cool.
This is my entry into the square inch contest, for what it's worth. These are the tiny Blinkies. I sell them on attendee too, but I just, this is a very, very low-key hack, I guess. I just attached them to the front of the badge. they blink. That's, I guess that's about it. I chose red, white, and blue because of the Paris thing. It's the French flag, so
All right.
for what that's worth. Oh,
Thank
and
you.
I tied a knot to shorten the thing. That's a hack too.
Okay, great, thanks. All right, number 3 and the best Blinky.
All right, so I was inspired by the Tamagotchi talk yesterday. So,
The
Looks
demo
like it
always
did.
gets you, huh?
there it goes. So I made a Forrest Gump Tamagotchi. So it just keeps running and running and running. And after a little bit of time, it will actually spawn another LED, and then it keeps spawning until it runs out of LEDs, and then they go way back to 1. So I
Wow.
haven't debugged it to see what happens there.
Can you flip it over real quick?
Yes. So there it goes to 2. So this is Arduino Micro, and then I've got 0603 resistors, not quite the 0402.
Right, nice.
Battery
That's great. All right, thank you.
Hi.
Hello.
So this one I did with absolutely no preparation at all. I came here with literally nothing, and I even used a Teensy. I didn't have any of the software. In fact, I had to go back home at midnight, program this on my computer, and work something out. But yeah, it ended up working first time, which is kind of surprising. And usually I have a rule, which is if it doesn't work, you end up figuring out why. If it does work, you also end up figuring out why. So yeah, it's just a Teensy microcontroller with a couple of voltage regulators, little switch to turn it on and off, and wires up to 6 LEDs. Now what it actually does is if you shake it, it will produce a pattern.
Maybe you should do that above up here, actually.
Yeah, hopefully you can see it. It's very, very difficult to demonstrate, but you should see a zigzag. Right. So that was sort of the easy way out because I actually made it say hi originally. And yeah, as I said, at about 12 o'clock at night, I was trying to program this. I couldn't really, according to the limitations of the human arm, make it do that and synchronize it. And I actually did try for far too much time before I realized I really couldn't synchronize my arm to make it say hi. So I settled for a couple of lines instead.
Thank you. Oh, you want to take, yeah, take it. You can see it over here.
Okay. This is my illuminated name tag with a power conservation feature. I'm pretty sure it will pass FCC.
All right, thank you.
So this is a. So what this does is it maps the distance from something to a color pattern. So original idea was to. Unfortunately, only works across 19 centimeters, so it's not as impressive, but that's what it is. So yeah, it's basically an Arduino trinket converting distance into a color pattern. There it is.
All right, thank you.
Hey everyone. So I made a Blinky thing, and what's neat about it is that when you spin it, it says Hackaday.
Can you put it back on anything? I just need to.
And so the way this guy works is it's just using a Teensy, which you guys gave us, you know, very, very simple code. I spent a whole lot of time to figure out it has support for the whole alphabet, but you know, there's no way to reprogram it on stage. But it does support alphabet and numbers and all that cool stuff, and so you can spin it and reprogram to say whatever you want.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Hey, well, this is not like, well, I didn't have like the time to solder it up, but what I wanted is like to compete, even if it was not that good as the other ones, but this is the actual insights of the project I showed before. Janice. It is a Node MCU.
Down a little bit. There you go.
Node MCU expressive processor, and it is controlled by free RTOS firmware and the application with the ID, which now it's not working.
Blame the Wi-Fi.
And of course, with the light, it is not going to work anyway. But if you see it this way, I think, it is not working now.
So people can check it out afterwards, maybe.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Perfect. Thank you. All right.
Not very over the top, but it's 2 Hackaday IO projects, one on each side of the badge. They're both, you can find them under GeoNomad, my name on Hackaday IO. The first one locates the open Wi-Fi hotspots. If it finds one, it connects to it and sends a tweet out that says, I'm at Hackaday, and you can find the tweet if it found an open hotspot. The other one is my Friends with Benefits button, called The Button. And when my wife pushes this button, it sends me a text message, a tweet, it also does an email, and sends various other notifications through different notification services. So I make sure she knows she wants me.
Rockin', yeah. All right, see if you can fit that under there. Take it off your neck, though. Yeah, you can hold it up now. I got a shot.
Simba! So this is the, I guess, Karamari to Hackaday, basically. Everything that's here was given to it over the given to us over the conference, and there's a web server on here. So it needs to be plugged in though. So eventually, everything again was given to us at the conference, and sort of just wanted to, I guess, show off everything that we can do here and learn. So thank you.
All right, thank you.
All right.
Oh man, I know what this one is.
So I went to the workshop on microcontroller audio, and and got to have a little bit of fun with it. Yeah,
there you go.
There we go. And so, so you got some
look
little.
here if you want.
What?
Look here.
Oh, better. So you get some little scrolling Hackaday skulls, but then maybe we want to go into our audio, our just badge. So this gives us just badge name and Hackaday Superconference. And then maybe we're going to like step it up a little bit. We have our peak detector circuit from the I2S interface on the microphone. This is just a sine wave that's being generated, and you can listen to it on the audio output. We can scroll through a couple pictures here if we want to. But my favorite part is the audio spectrum analyzer that's running.
Hold on. Go ahead. Yeah. So there's a special feature here, though. I'll hold it up to it.
So let's keep it. Once I get this tuned right, let's see.
Do that one more time. Let's do that one more time. Get your videos or cameras ready if you want to see this. That is the Hackaday noise. Wow, that is awesome. Thank you.
So here's my badge. It is powered by Teensy. Can you see it?
Yep. You can look here.
Yeah. It's powered by Teensy and a 74553 3-axis accelerometer. So it's actually a USB keyboard used as a game controller. So I have configured it to control the game based on the tilts. If I tilt it on x-axis, the car or the object on the game will move left, right, forward, reverse. And there are a couple of buttons here. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. And these googly eyes will light up once I press the user buttons. And if I could power it up.
It's here.
Okay.
Might be a little here. There we go. No, yep, no.
Yeah, these are the user buttons. And based on the tilts, any keys can be relayed either up, down, this is forward, backward.
So it's a
That's
game
it.
controller now.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Thanks.
Thank you.
So this one's not exactly successful. I had meant to have it display my name, but instead I just had to draw it on. Powering it with an ESP8266, just could not get it to, well, be nice in this socket here in this spreadboard. Also used APA 101, anyway, the one that has 3 conductors instead of 4 as the lanyard. Yeah, anyway, it was a try. Also have a linear regulator kind of soldered together here with its requisite capacitor sticking out the front. Anyway, bunch of things I tried, none of them really worked. Thanks.
Thank God. All right, so we got all the titles from Mike here. Can we get all the best dead bugs back up here on the right side? Or up on the stage, that's fine. Quickly though, please, please. Dead bugs.
Mine's actually working now, by the way.
Okay. Oh, cool. Okay. That's not it. All right, so first one we have is Mike, your handwriting. Cricket Blinker? Cricket Blinker. Is that, who's the Cricket Blinker? That's the Cricket Blinker here, yes, sorry. So we're gonna do loudness wins kind of thing. And so let's hear it for the Cricket Blinker. Yeah, I'm trying to find them. There we go. This is a reminder, sorry. All right, and now we have the AM Morse. We have the 0402 components. Can you hold that up? What was the 0402 components? We have the high voltage hell. And finally, the, that's right, the passive active resonance. All right. And I think the best dead bug goes to the high voltage hell. Thank you all, everyone. And can you all go take a picture all together, please? Over there. Next up, can we get the best Blinky on the stage? And please be blinking. I'm sorry I tried to take all pictures of these screenshots, so you might have to just hold them up and remember them by name. Come on over. There's a lot of you. All right. So first up, we have the cuckoo clock. That's that one. You don't remember. Next up, we have the square-inch blinkies. It's probably easier if we just hold them up, huh? Then we have the Forrest Gump Tamagotchi. Then we have the POV First Time is a Charm. Next up, the FCC Power Conserve. Love it. Next up, the colorful rangefinder. Oh, yep. Next up is the spinning POV that says Hackaday. And finally, the Node MCU fading LEDs. All right, I think the best Blinky goes to spinning POV that says Hackaday. Let's see it again. If you guys could all come over here for the picture when you're done, please. All together. And Yes, there we go. All right. All right, and the last one, over the top. Can all those people please come to the stage? Over the top. Over the top. Is that everyone? No, that's 2. We have 5. There should be 5 of you? 5 people? 5 people. 1, 2, 3. Well, if you're not here, you're not here. Number 1, Wi-Fi sniffing tweeter and the button. Oh, they might have gone back upstairs. Okay. Number 2, swag ball web server. I can find the picture. Number 3, audio waterfall / spectrum analyzer. Number 4, USB game controller. And number 5, breadboard ESP8266 and LED lanyard. All right, I think it goes to the waterfall / spectrum analyzer. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, guys. Thank you, thank you. You can go, I'll take a picture over there all together, please. Awesome. And we're going to be jumping right into talk. The next talk is Auntie Lucas will be up here in 1 second. All right, thank you.